Welcome back to No Rubbish Travel Guides. Today we are going into the heart of Belgium, Brussels. Whether you are here for the waffles, beer, stunning architecture, or just a quick layover, this city has a lot to offer. So buckle up for exploring the so-called most boring city in the world in a packed 2-day, not so boring itinerary of Brussels. Touchdown in Brussels. After landing at Brussels airport, the best option to reach the city center is to take the Fibco shuttle bus. It takes you straight to the Gare-Midi stations and costs around €20 per person one way. From Gare-Midi station, you can take another train to reach Brussels Central or just walk for 20 minutes to reach the historical center of the town. And from here, everything the city has to offer is just steps away. Now let's talk about accommodations. I'd recommend staying near the city center for easy access to all the sites. You can find many hotels and B&Bs near Charles Buls Fountain, which is a lively square in the heart of the town. After checking in, it's time to hit the streets. We'll start our walking tour with a visit to the most iconic pub in Brussels. I won't even try to pronounce its name, but you can read it on the screen. It's a quirky pub packed with puppets and a lot of charm. They serve a huge variety of Belgian beers and snacks, which is the perfect way to start your Belgian experience. Right next to it is the famous Manneken statue. Yes, it's smaller than you'd expect, but it's an iconic landmark to stop by nonetheless. Next, we swung by Moeder Lambic fountains for a quick beer tasting. Their selection of Lambic brews is top-notch. Also nearby, don't miss the Zinneke statue, lesser known as Being Dog. For lunch, we headed to the St. Catherine Church area, known for its fresh seafood market and casual eateries. I highly recommend to grab some fresh seafood at Noordzee. It's a seafood bar plus fishmonger, so you know everything you get here will be super fresh. They have both outdoor and indoor seating. We continued walking and ticking off some important buildings in the city, and then we reached the crown jewel of Brussels, the Grand Place. This UNESCO World Heritage Site will leave you speechless with its ornate guild halls, gold detailing, and rich history. Take your time soaking in the beauty of the buildings like Town Hall and Maison Dandoy. Trust me, videos and photos do not do justice to the beauty of the architecture of this place. After all that walking, we treated ourselves with some warm waffles at Maison Dandoy tea house nearby. We tried both Liège waffle and Brussels waffle with some fancy toppings. Next up, we strolled through the Royal Gallery of St. Hubert. This gorgeous shopping arcade is filled with high-end boutiques, chocolatiers and cafes. Even if you're not here for buying, it's worth visiting just for the architecture. For dinner, we had some Flemish meatballs with rice and rested up in preparation for the day 2. Next morning, we started with a peaceful walk through Jardin du Monde des Arts. The surrounding gardens and museums are perfect for snapping photos and soaking in some culture. This garden is at a perfect elevation point to see the skyline of the historical center of Brussels. We headed up to the Sablon region to visit the Church of Our Lady of Victories. Its Gothic design is breathtaking. Nearby the church, you'll find a quaint park dotted with statues and flower beds, a great spot to just relax during the day. We continued walking towards the urban part of the city and reached Parc des Bruxelles. This is the city's largest urban park. The space is huge and very peaceful. There also are a couple of snack bars just to sit, relax, and enjoy some beverage and snacks. We are far from done yet. Our next stop is Parc du Cinquantenaire. It's a huge garden near the European Commission's headquarters. And the centerpiece of this garden is Monument du Cinquantenaire, which is a huge triumphal arch. You can even climb at the top of the arch to enjoy the city views. After admiring the arc, we took a metro to our next stop. Metros in Brussels are very efficient. You don't need to buy tickets as you can just tap and pay. A 15-minute ride will take you to another iconic landmark of Brussels, the Atomium. It's a futuristic building in the shape of an atom. Originally constructed as the centerpiece of 1958 Brussels World's Fair. You can buy a ticket on the spot and take a tour inside the building, but from what I've heard, it's not really worth it. Right next to Atomium, there is a lush green forest park and also mini Europe theme park, perfect ways to spend your day. We spent some time in the park and then headed straight back to Brussels. We wrapped up our day with a magical view of the Grand Place at night. The illuminated buildings create a stunning backdrop, and it was the perfect ending to our Brussels itinerary. If you are interested in knowing the places to eat and drink in Brussels, I'll list down all the best places to get fries, waffles, and authentic Belgian food and beer in the description section. Do take a look. That was all from my Brussels itinerary of 2 days. Coming up next on the channel are the day trips to the beautiful city of Ghent and the magical town of Bruges. For more such no rubbish and no drama travel itineraries, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.